So today is our fourth peer review workshop using Appreciative inquiry, and we're in Southampton.
I've helped to organise the early intervention in psychosis peer review process. I think it's really important that clinicians and service users get a chance to really investigate what their service does and how it can be improved.
Appreciative inquiry is a really exciting method of developing organisations and teams, and instead of getting people to focus on what goes wrong and how to fix it, which is what we tend to do in organisations, which doesn't really motivate people and just leads people to find more and more problems in life, it focuses much more on what they have already done really well and then uses that as a springboard for how you make things even better.
I think it's really important that we share experiences across the EIP teams, and this is an opportunity to go and find out more about what other teams are doing and what positive things that we can take back from those teams.
I'm here to put something back. Early intervention was part of our family for 3 years. It helped recovery for our family from a severe mental illness.
We thought, well, this is a great thing where we've got to go to other services to do these peer reviews, and they come to our service and review what we do. This will be great to learn. It's a learning opportunity, and to be honest, it has been.
Our team lead is always encouraging us to kind of attend training and as a learning opportunity, and I'm always keen to kind of find out more.
It's an opportunity to talk about things that you're doing well and ask other people about what they're doing well, and sort of, to get a bit of the enthusiasm back rather than feeling bogged down.
There's so much breadth and depth of knowledge out there that it'd be lovely to share that and to have those links and those contacts with other teams.
The number one thing that I've learned today is that it is very, very important to share ideas. It is very, very important to communicate.
So I'm really keen to go away with some new skills and ideas that I can take back to my team, and that will be really valuable because we'll have another level of questioning that we can use in a different way to get maybe more information out of people, and that's both the people that we go and visit as a team but also the people we work with.
What I've learned today is to get better at kind of drawing that enthusiasm out of other people and thinking about the way that I can talk to people so as to really kind of grab hold of the bits that they feel passionate about and the things that drive them on.
I've been really encouraged by Dawn talking about her role as a carer's carer. That seems something that would be a really great idea if that's something we can involve in our team to get their input, because that's a side of the experience of the service that we have no idea about and we need to learn more from, I think.
What I achieved today was an opportunity to promote a positive outlook and actually work together better as a service.
We've just started a drop-in clinic for carers, but perhaps an evening group or a space for families to meet separately from us. Maybe we could set it up and facilitate it, but a chance for them, maybe newcomers into the service, to meet families.
I know that the team members here today, they'll have taken their own ideas from what they've heard from other services, and we've got things that we haven't started yet, and hopefully that'll give us the impetus to actually get on with it, stop talking about it and actually do it.
Just practically what I'll be doing is being able to use these skills to go over and interview other early intervention psychosis teams and to find out about what they're doing, but hopefully going to provide some benefit to them in terms of just making them feel enthusiastic about what they're doing. But I think I'll also, through that process, we'll learn a lot about what are the new things that we could be doing in other teams within Wessex.
With all the different areas, everybody's got something different that they've tried or they're further on. Things that they know worked, didn't work. So instead of reinventing the wheel, we're just working together to change things and develop something that actually fits our model for our area where we live.
I think my communication is going to be different, totally different, because we've never shared any ideas about how to improve our services, and this has actually opened my eyes, and I'm going to take that back to my team and say, you guys, you know what, we need to go out there, we need to go out of our comfort zones and share ideas and communicate and improve not just our service, but the service that we deliver to our patients, so that they can actually say at the end, my referral to EIP or working with EIP was a success story.